Nice win.
Number 10, first personal foul, first team foul.
Guy.
Foul number 51, jump to good. Foul. Number 7. Yeah, 3-point area. So good. Rebound by number 21. Number 11. Paras by number 5. Passing to number 3-point area, number 10. No good. Number 11. Shot. Yes. Number 11.
Baka malubat yan eh.
Eh, hindi. Tama lang yan. A-charge yan.
Number 12. Intercept by number 7. Number 7 passing to number 5. Number 6 pala yung foul. Ready jumper. Yes, 1 point. Number 11, passing to number 21. Passing to number 1. Delete number 11. Number 1 jump. Kita 3-point area, no? No. 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 Yes. Number 12. Passing to 11.
The last team.
Passing to number 11. Passing to number 20. No good. Rebound by number 11. Passing to number 12 in the 3-point area. No good. Rebound again. Passing to number 1. Passing to number 11. Number 6. Passing to number 7. Number 1 shot. No good. Rebound by 12. Passing to 11. Foul. Oy. Yes. Oy, no good. Rebound by number 1. Passing to number 6. To number 6. Itinira. No good.
Good, 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 good.
Number 11. Uy. Number 10. Passing to intercept by number 22. Number 1 passing to number 25. Number 25. Passing to number, intercept by number 11. Number 11. Ipinera, number 21. Block pass. Rebound by number 10. Passing to number 11. Jump. No good. Number 1 again. Passing to number 11. Number 11. Ipinasa. No good again. Number 7. Passing to number 6. Number 6. No good. And now, number 1 passing to number 21. Passing to number 1 in a 3-point area. No good. Number 23. This. Now, number 1. Intercept by number 11. Number 11 passing to number 1. Passing to number 10. Jump. Yes, 2 point. Number 10. Number 25 passing to number 1. Number 7. And a 3-point. No good. Rebound number 1. Up. Ikaw, happy na tinanong mo pa. First free throw. Yes, 1 point. Same ball. DC ball. Now, number 7. Even Alex number 7. Number 7, drive. No good. Number 1. Number 1. Passing to number 12. Jump. Oh, yes.
Nice team.
Gumila pa. Number 12, 2 points. Time.
Sabi mo,
Number 20. Passing to number 20. Ay binalik. Tinira. No good. Rebound number 7. Number 12. Dribbling the ball. Passing to number 51 is shot. No good. Number 20. Number 20 drive. Yes, 2 points. Now, number 20.
Subong.
Passing to number
Garawi.
5. The jump. Yes. 2 points, number 5. Number 81. Passing to number 66. Number 15. Number 12. Itinira. Yes. Number 13. 3 points.
Ano lang.
Number 20. So number 51. 3-point area.
Nice, Mike. Tangan na ganda ng laban nyo, ha.
Line ball. DC ball. Now, number 20, passing to number Ben Alec. Number 66, passing to number 20. In a 3-point area. Oy. Rebound by number 20. Number 20, passing to number 51, shot. Maon. Ini sa top, block the ball. Number 20. Passing to number 5. Number 5. Red. Now, number 20. Passing to number number 66. Traveling na. Now, number 1. Passing to number 5. Binalik sa number 1. No good. Rebound number 16. Passing to number Oy. Number 12. Mataas. Now number 20. Foul. Number 20. Foul. Free throw. First free throw. Yes, 1 point. Second free throw. Ready, jumper. No good. Rebound by number 21. Number 20. On the jump. Yes. 2 point. Number 20. Number 5. Kenera. Rebound by number 66. Passing to number 20. Number 20. Uy. Number 66. Passing to 81. 81. Nira. Passing to 81 again. Ibinod, no good. Rebound by number 20. Passing to number 51. Number 51 in 3-point area. No good pa rin. Number 66. The drive. Lays up. No good. And again. Yes, 2 points. 66. number 12. Pass it to number no good. Even an intercept. Number 20. Dribbling the ball in the drive. Uy. Same ball. DC ball.
Decibel, parang sa LTO yung brad ah. Oo, humuli decibel eh.
Yes.
Oh, tumalayo. Number 20. As a layup. Yes, 2 point.
May 3 best. 3 best ba yan?
Oh, nangyari. Number 20. Dribbling the ball. And a drive. Boarding no good. Rebound by number 51. Number 51 at 3-point area. Pumasok din. 3 point. Number 7. Dribbling the ball. Passing to number 1. Number 1 shot. No good. Mahon. Rebound number 11. Dribbling the ball. Passing to number 12. Line. Number 6. Passing to number 23. Passing to number 6. Even Alex number 7. Shot. No good. Rebound number 1. Passing to number 21. Dribbling the ball. Passing to number 1. Intercept by number 7. Number 25. Passing to number 7. The shot. No good. Number 11. Wow, we won.
Tingnan mo.
Number 11. Passing to number 1. Passing to number... Uy, binalik. Ang ganda. No good.
Umiwalay.
Wow.
May balik lang.
Passing to number 6.
Ito yung kamay niya.
Number
Sa kanan.
25.
Ka? Ito yung kamay niya. Ganun lang.
Passing to number
Kaalalay lang.
23. Inersa. Yes. 2 point. Number 10. Passing to number... Uy, intercept by number 25. Number 25. Ibinalik. Uy. Fourth personal foul. Number 21.
Magpakala mo na. 246 yun sa'yo eh. 246 din ng points.
Number 10. Passing to number 11. Dribbling the ball. Harassed by number 6. Passing to number 21. Passing to number 10. Number 12. Passing to number 1. Binalik. Number 1. Oy. In the 3-point area. No good. Number 25 passing to number 6. Ibinalik sa number 23. Number 21. Passing to number 1 in the 3-point area. No good. Number 7. Number 7 all the way. No good. Number 23. Jump. No good again. Rebound number 7. Number 7 in the 3-point area. Yes. 3 point. Number 11. Rebound by number 1. Number 1. The drive. No good. Itinira ulit. No good na rin. Number 7, Jack. No good. Number 11. Haras by number 6. Number 21. Passing to number 1.
Ramon!
Number 11. Jump. Yes. 2 point. Number 11. Number 23. Passing to number 7. Passing to number 6. Passing to number 1. Jump. Yes. 2 point. Number 1. Number 21. Passing to number 1. Oy. Number 1. Passing to number 21. Passing to number 12. Jump. No good. Yes. 2 point. Number 10. Number 23. Try. Yes. 2 point. Intercept. Passing to number 1. Number 6. Yes. 2 point. Number 20. Passing to number 51. Bilik. Number 10. Passing to number 21 in the 3-point area. No good. Rebound number. Yes. 2 point. Number 7. Number 23. Passing to number 20. Passing to number 66. Intercept by number 51. Number 7. Passing to number 51 at 3-point area. No good.
Push. Good.
Good ball. Number 20. The drive. Yes, 2 point.
Malas.
Number 10. Passing to number 21. Number 51 in 3-point area.
Malas.
No good. Foul. Now, number 21. Number 7. Oy, rebound by number 10. A shot. Block. Number 20. A drive. Oh. Foul. Ready Jumper. No good. Number 5. Passing to number 10. Number 10. Jump. Yes. 2 points. Number 20. Passing to number 66. Pinera, yes, boarding 2 points. Number 20. Passing to number 7. Number 7. No good. Rebound by number 20. Number 20, the drive. No good. Wow.
Outed.
Wala.
Number 13, foul.
Pumasok din bandang huli eh.
Now, number 5. Penalty sa number 10. Penalty sa number 5.
Nice, Ben.
Labit. Yes.
Tangin na binitbit pa.
2 point. Now, number 66. Passing to number 20 in the 3-point area. No good. Rebound by number 81. Oy.
Hindi na kayo.
Di number 28. Number 5. Passing to number 7. Number 7. Yes. 2 point. Number 20. Passing number 8. Number 66. Number 20. 5 seconds to shoot. 15 and a shot, no good. Rebound by number 13. Number 66. Uy, intercept by number 81. Number 81. And a drive. No good. Libre na. And number 20. Passing to number 66. Number 81 shot. No good. Number 5 rebound. Number 5 passing to number 7. Number 51 in the 3-point area. Yes! 3-point! Number 50. Coast. Ito ba sa loob? The 3-point. 3-point. Number 51.
Giinit, tag-iinit.
Papasok na.
Hindi na ako.
Ang
Alfonso.
utang. Maga pa eh. Number 20, the 3-point area. Yes! Sagot! 3-point.
Alfon, tayo dito. Alfon.
Ha?
Alfon.
Alpon.
Hoy!
Alpon, punta ka na dito. And number 51 again. Oy, foul.
No.
Number 81, Soriano, foul.
Sayang.
No good.
Yan, Jin. Jin.
Second free throw.
Yan, Jin.
Yes, 1 point. Another one. Ready, jumper.
Alfonso.
Yes, 2 point.
Paso. Paso lang. Baso lang? Baso lang? Kung meron dyan? Baso lang, baso.
Ang number 20. Passing to number 66, passing to number 15, shot. Yes, 2 point, number 15. Score 40, 47.
Alfon!
Alpon, i-plastic mo ha. Number 20 jump. No good.
Nice wrap.
And now number 5. Inilabit pa. No good. Rebound by number 7. Number 7.
Plastic mo.
Passing to number 5.
Tapos lagyan mo sa pag mo.
No good. Block. Oy.
Kaya naman ano, talo eh.
Talo ko nila.
Buti nga.
Number 7.
Paano mo talo naman?
Oy.
Buti nga.
Dito ka, Iso. Lumapit ka dito.
Edward, lalaro.
Oo, hindi na ba?
Now number 11. Passing to number. Oy, intercept by number 23. Passing to number 25. Number 7. Dribbling the ball. Passing number 23. Jump. Yes, easy 2 points. Number 11. Number
Kailangan.
passing to number 10. Jump. Yes, 2 point. Number 10. Number 1. Passing to number 23. Number 7. Passing to number 6. Jump. Yes. 2 point. Number 6. Number 12. Pass to number 11. Pinalik. Number 12, passing to number 5. Number 5, number 11, jump 2 point, number 11.
Problema no, pag siya naman yung
Number 6 in a 3-point area, no good. Rebound number 5. Pass break to number 12. Number 12 jump. Yes.
Nice,
2
Tim.
point.
Nice, Tim!
Score 46-51. Number 7. Pass to number 1. Number 1 jump. Yes, boarding. 2 points. Number 5. Number 5. Uy, intercept by number 1. Nakuha ulit ni number 10. The jump, no good. Tap. Number 7. Passing to number 1. Number 1. Uy.
Malaki yun? Apokari. Tulo.
Galing! Eh, pasa! Nice, Bon! Oh, 3 points, 3 points.
3 point.
Raymond.
Wala pa yun, boss.
Number 1, intercept. Passing to number 11. Number 11, passing to number 1. In the 3-point area. Yes! 3 point.
Ayun nga.
52, 55. 3 points sa... number 6. Intercept by number 11. Passing to number 7 and drive. Yes, 2 point.
Si Ramon.
Number 1, intercept by number 7. Passing to number 6. Number 6, the drive. No good. Intercept by number 7. Number 7, uy. Wow. Number 1. Passing to number 25. Number 23. Jump. No good. Rebound by number 23. Uy, grabe.
Orpon. Uy, sukli.
Number 23, no good. Rebound by number 1. Intercept by number 6. Passing to number 25. Number 7 in the 3-point area. No good. Uy. Foul. First free throw. No good. Second free throw. Yes, 1 point. Oras 17 seconds. Number 7, passing to number 1. Last second. Number 1. Passing to number 23. Libre. 2 point. Patagot pa tayo. Number 7. Number 6.
No bam.
Passing to number 7. Tinira no good. Number 11. Back to number 7. Number 7.
Number 7
No
lang
good.
taking a foul. Nakatago ba yan?
Ayos ka.
Yan.
Number 20. Number 20, passing to number 7, shot, no good. Number 1, passing to number 51. Number 1, passing to number 20, net 3 point, no good.
Aging Alvin.
Paging si Alvin, punta ka na dito. Number 20. Passing to number 7. Number 20. Dribbling the ball. Oy. Wow. Yes, 1 point. Number 20.
Shout out kay Tata.
Set out daw kay si Tata.
Tata.
No good. Number 20. Passing to number 11. Number 11. Passing to number 1 in a 3-point area. No good. Rebound number 15. Passing to number 66. Number 66. Number 20. Passing to number 7. Number 7. 5 to shoot. Number 20. On the way. Hey. Oy, no good.
Tayo na sayang.
Libre yun. Number 20. Number 23. Jump, no good again. Number 51, it's shot. Yes, 2 point. Oy. Tukamas. Number 7. Pasok to number 11, libre. Yes. 2 points, number 11. Score 56-60. 57-60. Intercept by number 51. Number 51. The shot. No good. Rebound number 1 shot. No good. Rebound by number 66. Number 20. Number 20.
Good, good, good.
Number 7 shot. Yes, boarding. 3 point. Number 51. And 3 point. No good. Pass to number 20. First free throw. No good.
Raymond. Monty.
Wow!
Yes, 1 point.
Boss sub kay ano? Boss sub. Tagay.
Ano shoot? Pag na-shoot. Sub ka na?
Bubu!
Alam ko labubo eh.
And now, number 20. Pass it to number 7. Pass it to number 11. Shot.
Oh,
Yes, 3 point. Number 11.
11.
Number 7.
Pakuluan mo yung dila yan, pakuluan mo yung dila.
Number 20.
Pampagana nga to.
Sige na, mamaya na. Pass it to number 66. And a shot. No good. Rebound number 20. Pass it to number 7. The shot. No good. Rebound number 7. Huli. Intercept by number 7. Si Pinaso. Yes, 2 point, number 7.
Oy!
Intercept by number 20. Number 20, Pinasa. Yes, 2 point. Time out. Number 11. Passing to number 5. And a shot. No good. Spot. Now number 20. Number 1. Passing. Yes.
Nice.
Number 5. Number 7, 23. Number 7. Passing to number 7.
Ano na yan?
May mga high blood ah. May na-call test daw dyan sa labas. Yan o, number 66. Edwin Nocot, no good.
Dinugod sa kawalan eh.
Ito lang lang. Sabi na lang.
Lumugod.
Number 5. Passing to number 7. Number 11 in 3-point area, no good. Rebound number 1. Passing to number 20. Number 20. Jump.
Check, check, check.
Number 5. Number 11, Tinera. Yes. 2 point. Number 11. Ano, number 23. Passing to number 20. Time, 4 minutes and 52 seconds. And the final quarter. Number 7. Passing to number 20. Number 20 passing to number 7 in the 3-point. Oy, block.
Nice, check. Walang
5 seconds to shoot.
bolang-bola, walang foul, no?
Pinera pa kami, ako na 3 points.
Number 66.
Go, Bam.
3-point, no good.
Bubo!
Umutot pa uli yung ano, kung may pabantayin yun.
No good.
Lamang na to. Eh, natin pa rin. Atakin na lang yan.
Sige, free throw.
Paano wala nga pang foul sa kabila, oh.
Yes, 1 point.
Kawawa na ako.
Number 5. Passing to number 7. Passing to number 20 in the 3-point. No good.
Layo.
Rebound by number 7. Sorry. Yes, 1 point.
Tama.
Free throw.
Ang malitawag, tablay na.
Second free throw.
16 ba yun? 66.
Yes, 2 points.
Ganda na ako. Kasi na kanina umaga.
Maganda rin.
Number 6.
Sino nanalo sa inyo? Bakit yung magtanong? Ilan naman nyo?
Yun.
Number 20. Passing to number 7 in the 3-point area. No good. Record number 7. Number 11. Passing to number 1. Number 11. Benalik. Number 5. Passing to number... Oy. Time 3 minutes and 43 seconds. Dalawa sa kabila, tatlo dito sa block.
Pasok sa ba?
No good again. Rebound number 15, passing to number 20.
Wala pumasok na.
Wala. Number 20, jump, no good. Passing to number 1. Number 1, ibinalik sa number 7. Number 11, pinasa sa number 7. Pinasa pa sa number 1. Number 7, passing to number 11. Number 5 in the 3-point area, no good. Rebound number 7.
Lari ka,
Number
pisi-pisi yan.
11, shot, no good. Number 20. Number 23. Oy. Foul. First free throw. Yes, 1 point. Sige, free throw. Ready jumper. Yes, 2 points. Number 20. Passing to number 5. Number 5. Passing to number 7. Number 51. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 1. Counted. Counted. Referee decision, counted. Counted. Referee decision.
Sakto, pagkabitaw.
Number 20. 2 minutes and 18 seconds in the final quarter. Number 7. 6 to shoot. No good. Next 1 point. No good. And number 20. Shot. Yes. 2 points, number 5. No, number 5. Ay, number 1. 20. Number 7. 1 and 47 seconds. And the final quarter. Number 7. Passing to number 1. 18 era. Foul. Yes, 1 point.
Ang sa free throw yan eh.
Yes, 2 points. Oras po natin, 1 and 34 seconds in the final quarter. Score 70-73. Lamangan naka-block. Number 5. Passing to number 1. Ipinas number 7. Number 20, the 3-point area. Yes, 3 point. Deadlock 73. All 73.
Ganda na laban.
And the 3-point area number 7, no good. Rebound by number 5. Last 1 minute. $51 seconds. 47 seconds. And the 3-point, no good. Rebound number 66. Passing to number 20. Number 20. Jump no good. Rebound number 51. 31 seconds. Passing to number 7. 13 to shoot. 20 seconds. Number 7. And shot. Yes. 2 points. Number 7. Time out. DC.
ganun sabi yun. Tanong mo, miss call ng referee, walang tawag na. Oo.
Number 20, and a shot. No good. Rebound number 7. Foul. Number 7. Oh, intercept number 1. Number 5. And a shot. Libre. Yes, 2 point. The 3-point area, no good.